This is a question that we are given, and let's see how we can answer this particular question. I want to make it simple, so I want you to follow me clearly and attentively. This is a cubic function question, so I want you to follow me attentively. Answer this part of the question on a sheet of graph paper. This is a sheet of graph paper. It is even written there, Zambia standard graph paper. Your graph paper should be like this. Then the values of x and y are connected by the equation y is equal to x cubed minus 6x plus 2. Some corresponding values of x and y are given in the table below. This is a table that is there. Always, the first question will be calculate the value of a certain letter. So in this case, we are told to say calculate the value of k. This question gets to carry 1 mark. But guess what? When you failed this question, it means that you failed everything. So you need to treasure this mark. So I indicate there 1 there. I put 1 there. So how can I calculate the value of k? Before I proceed, I'm using a pen so that you get to see clearly and everything that I'm illustrating here. But in an exam, you are supposed to use a pencil. Any work that gets to do with graphs supposed to be handled using a pencil, not a pen. I'm using a pen so that you're able to see. For you to calculate the value of k there, you write the equation that is given. That is y is equal to x cubed minus 6x plus 2. That is what we are given. Then have you seen y is, have you seen this k is in the y values? The 3 is there. So this is to tell that where there is y, we shall put k. On top, these are corresponding. Have you seen? You can't get this one and that one. No. If there is k, you check the one on top. X is 3, y is k. So where there is y, I put k. Then where there is x, I put 3. So that is 3 cubed minus 6 times 3 plus what? Plus 2. So this is k is equal to, I now calculate this. 3 cubed, that is 27. 27 minus 18. What answer are you going to get? 9 plus 2, 11, meaning that k is equal to 11. So where there is k there, we know that k is what? 11. Just like this, you are given 1 mark. This 1 mark is very important. I proceed now. Before I proceed, I need to divide this graph into 2 equal parts. So this is my graph. I divide it into 2 parts. So what I'm going to do now is this. So I divide it, I get my ruler like this. I divide it into 2 equal parts like this. So this is what I need to do. I divide it. So I need to divide it nicely, okay, like this. Even here, I cut it there like that so that it becomes a good. I guess you are able to follow me clearly like this. This is what I need to do. So after doing this, have you seen? I know that this is the y-axis. This one is the x-axis. I do this everywhere. So this is the x-axis. Even down here, I also do the same. I go to a scale now. After doing this, I need to go to a scale. Using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the what? X-axis. This is the x-axis. So 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis. The 0 is here. So this box that you're able to see from here to there, this is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters represent what? 1 unit. This is what we are given. The information is here. So it is saying that 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis, and it should length from where? From -3 to 3. So on the positives, you end at 3. With the negatives, you end at 3. So meaning, since 0 is here, I say these are the positives. 1, 2, 3. Even here, negative 1, here I find negatives. Negative 2, negative 3. So I can finish here 4, 5. There is no problem. The choice is mine. So there is no any pressure there. I can do that if I want. After doing this now, I now go to the y-axis. 2 centimeters to represent 5 units on the y-axis. 4, so this is the length. On the positives, I need to end up to 15. Negatives up to 10. 2 centimeters to represent 5 units, meaning you'll be moving in 5s. 5, 10, 15, because you understand that this box is 2. So 5, this is 2 centimeters. Another 2 centimeters, 5, since there is already 5 there, 10. I can put 15 there is no problem. I can put 20, there's no problem. Even here I say negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, there is no problem, there is no pressure there. So this is what I need to do. After doing this now, I start now plotting. So I need to start plotting these things now. How do I plot? The first value here, this is, have you seen after you've done everything, the question is saying, draw the graph of this. Y is equal to x cubed minus 6x plus 2. So I need now to plot this or to draw this particular graph. Given these values, how then am I supposed to draw? I've got this one that is here. This question is saying this first coordinate, negative 3,7. So now the question that you're going to have, how can I know that this is 7? From here up to there are 10 small boxes. And since for me to reach from here up to there, how am I supposed to know this small box? There is a formula we get to use. You say units over number of what? Over number of boxes. Units over number of what? Number of boxes. This is a shortcut. I say units on the y-axis. I'm told to say 2 centimeters is representing 5 units. In the 5 units, how many boxes am I having? 10. So if I divide there, I get 0.5. So one box is what? 0.5. This small box, so the small box is what? 0.5. Meaning that for me to have 1, it means I need to count 2 boxes. So meaning 1, 2, this is 1. 1, 2, this is 2. 1, 2, this is, have you seen? This is how it is. So counting 2 small boxes, that is 1. Because 1 box is 0.5. So if I have 2 0.5s, that is a 1. So 7, negative 3 is here, then negative 7. So I look at the y-axis. This is 3, I start moving. This is negative 5. Then 1, 2, negative 6. 1, 2, negative 7. The value is there. That is where I need to put the what? The value. So it is there. Then from here now, what I need to do, the next one, negative 2,6. Negative 2 is here, 6. So negative 2, I start moving at this negative 2 like this. 6, this is 5. 1, 2, that is where I've got a 6. I put a value there. And then I move to the next one, negative 1,7. Negative 1 is here. Negative 7, I start moving 5, 6, 7. Don't say, okay, the size is not counting. I'm counting. I've counted 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7. So this is it. I move 0,2. 0 is here. I go where 2 is 1, 2. So it is there. It is there. I guess you are able to join this like this. I go to 1, negative 3. 1 is here, negative 3. On this same one, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. So it is here. Negative 3 is here. I guess you are able to follow me clearly and attentively. The same way I'm plotting these ones, this is how you are supposed to plot even in your exam. I move to the next one, 2, negative 2. 2 is here, negative 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2. So it is here, negative 2 is there. I move to the last one, 3, what? K. What is the value of K? You look at your graph. we calculated the value of k. It was what? 11. So 3,11. 3,11, I move 3. This is 5, this is 10. 1, 2, 11. 11 is there. This is what? No panicking. Then it is just a matter of joining these values. How do I join them? I join them nicely like this. So this is how I'm supposed to do it, like this. I join it nicely like this. I guess you are able to see how it is coming up like this, like this. This is what you need to do, like this. I join. So this is the what? This is the graph. This is the graph. I even say there y is equal to, this is x cubed minus 6x plus what? Plus 2. That is what I'm supposed to do. So I'm done with the graph. So this graph, plotting something like this, they give me 3 marks. So plotting something like this, they give you 3 marks. Then there is we've got these questions here. The question is saying use your graph to solve the what? The equations. You use your graph, this same graph, to solve these equations. I want you to follow me clearly and attentively. These questions I'm giving you, these are important questions that you need to take advantage of when such questions are to come in your exams. So meaning that this one, we always compare to the original graph. In this case, this is our original what? Original graph. Look at this question. So I'm going to say this is 3, isn't it? I'm going to write it here. So I will say that is 3 what? 3a. So I say that is 3a. Then what I'm going to do, if you look at this, y is equal to this, meaning that at whenever you see x cubed minus 6x plus 2, that is y. Y and this expression, they are just the same. Look at this. This is what? The same thing that is there. And we are told that y is equal to this. So this x cubed, negative 6x, negative 6x, plus 2, these two are just the same. So meaning this is y. I say y is equal to what? 0. So y is equal to 0. So here you write that one, x cubed minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you know that here this is y. So y is equal to 0. Now you go at your graph. Y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. Y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. Get this. So this x-axis is y is equal to 0. So I just get points where it is cutting the x-axis. Cutting the x-axis there. So this is what? This is this one that is here. 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I say, therefore now the answers x is equal to negative 2.6, comma, x is equal to, where is it cutting the x-axis? It is also cutting the x-axis there. So this is 0, 0.123. So 0.3, 0.3. Or x is equal to, the last one, it is cutting the graph there. So this is 2.1 or 2.2 since it is in the middle there. So this is 2.2. These are the answers. You can write 2.1 or 2.2. They will still mark you. So these are the answers. That is how you are supposed to answer. I guess you are able to see how I'm answering these questions. The same way I'm answering, this is the same way you are supposed to answer. You are given 2 marks just doing this. So we are done with that one. We proceed now. We go to the B one. B, I'm going to write it here. I will indicate 3B. Numbering is very important. So this is what you look at, the way this one is. Have you seen the way this one is? So is this same as that? The answer is no. Which number is missing for this one to be exactly like that one? Here there is no 2. But there is 2. So meaning I say x cubed minus 6x. I put plus 2, which is equal to, there is already a 2 here. I've added the 2 here. Even here, I need to put another 2 plus 2, because what you add this side is what you are going to add on the other side. So this side, have you seen? Now this one has now become exactly like this equation. So this is now y. This is y is equal to what? 2 plus 2, that is a 4. So 2 plus 2, that is what? 4. So I write now y is equal to 4. This part I'm doing, you can even show it there. There's no problem. Y is equal to 4. So you need to show everything on the graph. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, so y is equal to 4. Where is y equal to 4? Y is equal to 4 is this. This is 4. Y 4 there. So that is where I'm going to put a line now that is going to cut like this. This is where I'm going to put a line like this. So a line that is going to be like this. Have you seen a line like that? So this line that I've put there, this is y is equal to what? Equal to 4. Where is this line now? Cutting the graph. It is cutting the graph there. I go down to get the readings. So this is what? 2.1, 2, 3, 4. 2.4. X is equal to 2.4. Or x is equal to, so where is it cutting the graph? Here. I go down to get the readings like this. So this is negative 1, 2, 3. So negative what? 0.3. Or I'm going to say, or x is equal to, where is it cutting? Even there. It is cutting even there. I go down to get the readings like this. This is where the readings are. Negative 2.123. So negative 2.3. These are the answers. I'm done. Some of you were making mistakes. Have you seen where it is cutting? You start from 3.1 to no. For this is 0, numbers are increasing this side. This is 0, numbers are reducing this side. So you start from negative 0.1, 2, 3, 4 until 1. Negative 1.1 or negative like this. Not from here 4, a point that is here, you start from here 4 like this. No, it means you are going down. Here you need to be going this side. Here you need to be going that side. So this is how you answer a question like this. This is how you need to answer it. So I've answered this question, and these are the questions you are supposed to be taking advantage of even in an exam. This video, I've made it public so that even other people that are not with us will try to revise through. So if you are such a one that you could like to start your tuitions with Harrisonite Learning Academy, you can text me on my number. I'm here to help you. I don't only teach mathematics, I also teach sciences. So this is my number. You get to WhatsApp me on this particular number. I guess this is visible. 0971 06 6747. 0971 06 6747. This is my number. Let me help you get that distinction in your exams via teaching, making your life so easy, getting a distinction in an easy way. This is a public video, so if you want to get access to some of the videos that I get to do under my academy, which we don't post publicly, make sure you text me on this number. I help you at an affordable fee. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Make sure you share it to someone. If you are under my lessons, I guess you've revised through and you've seen the mistakes that you were making. Let us make our lives easy by getting that distinction. Thank you so much. This is your brother and your friend, Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. Thank you.